Have you tried creating a remix in Suno and gotten this error message? Sometimes, even if the melody or audio is yours, you get a copyright message. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create remixes, even with famous songs, without getting a copyright warning. It works for me, but I don't know how long it will last, so take advantage of this tip before they remove it. Let's get started. How do I fix it? I'll tell you 2 ways, and at the end of the video, I'll give you a tip so you can make hundreds of remixes and rarely get a copyright warning. I'm going to do it with a very famous song, but I'm only going to show a very small part because I don't want YouTube to flag my copyright and mute the audio, rendering this video useless to anyone. Method 1. Import only 4 bars using the MIDI from some part of the song. Just 4 bars. See what happens if I use 8 bars. The copyright flag will appear. However, the same MIDI file, only 4 bars long, doesn't jump. I'm going to use the song Better Off Alone by Alice DJ. I'm using the MIDI file that I have included in my Eurodance preset bank for Serum, but you can use any MIDI file. Search online, you might even find a free one. But remember, it has to be 4 bars. So what happens? Suno doesn't detect that it's the Alice DJ song, but something else happens, converting from MIDI to audio. Normally, you'd use a piano using this free online tool freeconvert.com/MIDI-to-MP3, but it might not detect the best option for the remix because it detects it as a piano. So we're going to add a prompt that tells Suno what we want, and this is the prompt. But it won't be very similar to the original song. How do we make it sound much closer to the original? This brings us to method 2, which is very similar to method 1. Let me give you a little something for watching. I've prepared a starter kit for using Suno. It includes MIDI files, loops, a masterclass, and prompts. It's free. You can find the link in the description. Let's continue. Method 2, undoubtedly the best and the one that will give you the best remix. In this case, I use the MIDI file plus the preset recreated for the song Serum from the same preset bank, and I only export 4 bars of audio. As you can see, Suno still doesn't detect that it's the Alice DJ song, and now it can produce a very similar remix. When I say similar, I mean that if you show him the lead track of the song plus the MIDI file, it will sound similar. But we're going to tell him to make a melodic dubstep remix. Now I tell it to create a melodic techno track. Once you have the instrumental, you just need to go to your production software, extract the a cappella from the song, or download the a cappella and place it over the instrumental. You won't be able to do this in Suno because it will trigger a copyright claim for the vocals. There are free online production programs that allow you to add the a cappella to the instrumental if you don't produce music and don't have production software. Method 3. Using the song's own audio, just 1 bar. It's very likely that in most cases, copyright will be flagged even with just 1 bar. If it is, don't try again. It won't let you. With just 1 bar, it won't be the same as method 2. It's very likely that the other bars won't be in the same key and therefore won't match the a cappella. But if you want to try, go ahead. As I mentioned before, there's a way to make it difficult for copyright to flag, but it will depend on how famous the song is. If you do a Shakira remix, it's very likely that copyright will flag it immediately, but there are hundreds of old songs, whether electronic or in the style you produce, where the record label disappeared or they take the royalties, but they let you publish them if you don't monetize them. You'd be surprised that even if they're songs of a different style, you can adapt them to the style you produce. I hope this video has been helpful, that you make good use of it, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be the first to know when I make videos like this before tips like these become unavailable.